Radiant and powerful, this exceptionally large Brazilian citrine Vogel crystal wand glows with rich color and water-clear clarity. Within its luminous body, soft, smoky striations dance like threads of golden sunlight, a rare and collectible treasure from the heart of the earth. Often called solidified sunshine, citrine carries the warmth of the sun and the energy of abundance. Known as the success stone and the happy stone, its vibrant energy is said to amplify prosperity, sharpen clarity, and awaken a deep sense of joy and personal power. Historically cherished as the merchant stone, citrine is believed to attract wealth and good fortune, making it a favorite in both homes and business spaces. But beyond material gain, citrine offers a generous spirit, inviting balance, confidence, and a grounded connection to your purpose. Unlike most crystals, citrine is known for never needing cleansing. Instead, it naturally clears negative energy, creating peace and clarity in your aura and surroundings. Perfect for meditation, spiritual growth, chakra alignment, or dream work, this wand aligns beautifully with the solar plexus and supports the entire energy body. Each crystal from Crystal Light and Sound comes with loving guidance for clearing and programming, empowering you to connect deeply with your stone's unique gifts.